Exciting news for camera enthusiasts. The rumor mill is churning at full speed, and it's all about the anticipated showdown between the Nikon Z6 Mark III and the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Set to hit the shelves this June, the buzz is undeniable. Will Nikon's latest charm us with its prowess? Or will Sony's newcomer steal the spotlight? Stay tuned as we dive into the specs, the hype, and the potential game changers in the world of photography. Starting with the Nikon Z6 Mark III seems like a minor upgrade over its predecessor. But don't let that fool you, even small changes can make a big difference in the world of photography. We're looking at the same 24.5 megapixel sensor, but paired with the beastly XSpeed 7 processor. This combo could give us faster performance and better image quality, especially in low-light situations. Rumor has it that the Z6 Mark III will also bring a brand new high-resolution viewfinder with a whopping 5.76 million pixels. Can you imagine how crisp and detailed your shots will look? It's like having a mini movie theater right in front of your eyes. But that's not all. You will also get some serious video features in it. We're talking 6K recording at 60 frames per second and 4K at a mind-blowing 120 frames per second. Slow motion footage has never looked so dreamy, and by being able to shoot in 12-bit NRAW and 10-bit H.265, you can say goodbye to banding and unattractive compression artifacts. We could be seeing up to 40 frames per second in full-frame mode and a blistering 120 frames per second in DX crop mode. Say hello to tack-sharp action shots and goodbye to missed moments. On the ergonomics front, the Z6 Mark III is rumored to inherit the sleek body design from the Z8, making it a bit more compact than its bigger sibling. And let's not forget the handy top LCD panel for quick settings access. Now let's switch gears to the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. This little powerhouse might just be the ultimate vlogging and content creation machine. First things first, that 26 megapixel APS-C sensor is no joke. Coupled with the beefy Beyond's XR processor, you can expect stellar image quality and super fast performance. And with real-time tracking autofocus for stills and video, you can wave goodbye to blurry shots and out-of-focus vlogs. But wait, there's more. The ZV-E10 Mark II is rumored to be a video beast, capable of shooting 4K at 120 frames per second. Slow motion has never looked so good. And with advanced codecs like 10-bit 4x2x2 and log profiles like S-Log3, you'll have all the tools you need for professional-grade color grading and post-production. This camera is tailor-made for you. It comes with a built-in microphone and audio inputs, so you can capture crystal-clear sound to match your stunning visuals. Plus, with USB streaming capabilities, you can go live without any extra fuss. And let's not forget about that 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD. You'll never have to worry about awkward angles or squinting at a tiny display again. Now, here's the real kicker. The rumored pricing for the ZV-E10 Mark II is seriously tempting. We're looking at around $798 for just the body or $899 with a 1650mm kit lens. But if you really want to go all in on the creator experience, Sony might offer a sweet $1,199 bundle with a wireless grip and shotgun mic. Of course, these are just rumors for now, but we can't help but get excited about the potential of these two cameras. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your photography journey, the Nikon Z6 Mark III and Sony ZV-E10 Mark II could be game changers. So what do you think? Are you Team Nikon or Team Sony? Or maybe you're just happy to sit back and watch the camera wars unfold? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.